Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce our tube return bender machine, which consists of a feeding rack and the main machine body. It processes copper tubes with an outer diameter of 9.52 mm. Let's walk through the machine's working procedure next. The entire unit is fully system controlled for automatic production. It can bend 5 pieces of 9.52 mm OD copper tubing simultaneously. To process copper tubes of other sizes, you only need to replace the dies and mandrels.